Schools teach you how to work for money. The rich teach their kids how money works for them. Rule number 1, money is a game. If you don't know the rules, you lose. Rule number 2, don't save, invest. Inflation eats your savings while you sleep. Rule number 3, assets over liabilities. Buy things that put money in your pocket, not things that take it out. Poor people buy stuff. Rich people buy time. Your salary is a drug. They give it to you to forget your dreams. Rule number 4, multiple streams of income. Never rely on a single paycheck. If you lose your job, you lose everything. That is not security, that is slavery. Rule number 5, pay yourself first. Invest 20% before you spend a dime. Compound interest is the eighth wonder. Start small, but start now. Time is your biggest asset. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Rule number 6, risk is the price of entry. Safe play leads to a mediocre life. Take calculated risks. Scared money makes no money. Rule number 7, surround yourself with winners. You are the average of your 5 friends. If they are broke, you are next. Network is net worth. Rule number 8, solve big problems. Money follows value. Chase excellence, not money. Rule number 9, emotion is the enemy. Fear and greed destroy wealth. Invest with logic, not feelings. Rule number 10, live below your means. Don't try to look rich, be rich. Flashy cars don't pay bills. Freedom is the ultimate flex. Don't work for the weekend. Work for your freedom. The first million is the hardest. Don't stop there. Money is a tool, not a master. Control it or it controls you. Start your journey today. Subscribe to master the game.